Hi parents, this is SP Zavalkar from Creative English School, Bead Road, Aurangabad. Parents, if you want your words to be a perfect person while in the studies, while in all walks of life, you must have to play important role of ideal parenting. I have finished 2 episodes, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube SP Zavalkar, please I sincerely advise you do that and learn 7 golden rule of parenting. Parents, in the past 2 lectures I have explained about that is identifying the strength of your child and not to compare your child with others. Today we are focusing on very important rule, that is give the quality times to your word. What it is? Give the quality time to your word, which is first means that मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, howsoever is the person reaches in the world but doesn't give proper time to his children, I'll say he is the poorest person in parenting. बच्चों के लिए समय देना बहुत जरूरी है. The second one, children are very innocent. We need to understand them. So give the quality time for them. Otherwise, what they will do? They will find out some substitute. They will mingle up and mix up with their friends, spend the time with them. Either company will be good or not, we do not know. So we should have to give the quality time with them and try to understand them. If they are something to you, if they are telling something to you, you should listen with the full concentration, full interest, what they exactly telling, and try to understand them. That is very important task of good parenting. Next is that always listen and play with them, read with them, even if exercise with them, meditate with them, or if you are if you are fond of yoga, do it. So they will also create the interest in these things. And sometimes parents ask children, study, complete the homework, do this assignment. And on other part, parents are not reading with them. They watch their favorite TV serial or play on mobile. Why? At least for one hour, you should switch off everything. Switch off your TV, switch off your mobile, howsoever you have got an important work, or at least keep it on the silent mode. So this is one thing. Next is that if the parents do not give the time, I told you they will find a substitute. The best thing which you can give with a free of cost to your word is the time. That's very important. Next, during the time, what we should have to do? We should take the food with them. We should take them for shopping and marketing. Take them on the ground. Attend some outside functions with them. So they will acquire, they will gain the knowledge from it. And the most 2 important things now we have to learn here, that is the children of 0 to 7 age group. They ask the questions with what? to all the seniors, parents, uncle, aunties in the family. So everybody should give their words answer. मतलब बच्चों को आदत रहती है 0 से 7 एज ग्रुप के जो बच्चे हैं वह हमेशा वर्ड से सवाल पूछते, अरे चंद यार मेरे टाइम नहीं. डोंट से लाइक दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज अ वेरी क्रुशियल टाइम. You need to give the appropriate answer for them. Then from the age group 7 to 14, they upgraded their standard. They are going for schools, and at that moment they have many questions in their mind, and out of curiosity they ask the question always with by why. So you should satisfactorily answer the question asked by why. ये क्यों, वो क्यों, ऐसा पूछते रहेंगे. आपको अगर पता नहीं तो किसी और सीनियर्स की मदद ले लो, गूगल पे जाओ, कहीं ना कहीं तो भी जाओ और कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन. और इतना भी किया तो उनको बोलना तुम खुद का सोचना शुरू करो, तुमको क्या लगता है. एंड इफ दे गेट हर्डल, दैट हर्डल शुड बी सॉल्व्ड आउट. एंड लास्टली बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, फाइनली गिव द मोर टाइम टू द चिल्ड्रन फॉर योर ओन हैप्पीनेस एंड फॉर देयर हैप्पीनेस ऑल्सो. मजे की बात ऐसी है कि अभी अभी मेरे एक दोस्त अशोक पाटिल साहब सीए है, उनको पोती हुई और साधारणतः 3-4 साल की होगी. मैं उनको बोला कि पाटिल साहब आप इतना मेहनत करते, सुबह 9 बजे से आकर 7 बजे तक 1 सेकेंड का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते, घर पे जाने के बाद बहुत थकान आती होगी. बोले थकान तो आती है मगर मेरी पोती, मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर घर पे मेरी राह देखते खड़ी रहती. उसका हसरा चेहरा, तिचं स्मित हास्य, पळत पळत माझ्याकडे येणं आणि मी तिला कडेवर अतिशय प्रेमाने मायाने घेतलंय, एक पप्पी घेतली की सरकन माझा दिवसभराचा थकवा निघून जातो. म्हणजे आनंद देणे पण आनंद घेणे पण. ते फक्त क्वालिटी टाइम जर आपण दिला तरच होऊ शकतं. यू युअरसेल्फ गेट द सॅटिस्फॅक्शन, सेन्स ऑफ फुलफिलमेंट, अँड इवन इफ you lose your fatigue and you get fresh again. So parents, my humble request is that if n number of things you could not do for your student or for your wards, for your children, doesn't matter, but give perfect quality time to your wards. अमिताभ बच्चन जी ने आखिरी का जो डायलॉग बोला वो मैं कहता हूं कि इसके लिए क्वालिटी टाइम की वजह से बच्चे और औलाद अच्छी निकल सकती. अमिताभ बच्चन जी कहते हैं कि औलाद अगर अच्छी है, औलाद अगर अच्छी है तो कमाने की क्या जरूरत है, और औलाद अगर अच्छी नहीं तो कमा के क्या फायदा है. इसी के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत विनंती कि सब्सक्राइब एसपी जवलकर. आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो जरूर करिए और देखिए 7 golden rule of parenting. Thank you. Have a nice and great day.